Well, the dream came from being the oldest granddaughter of an entrepreneur, Duncan's Grocery. My grandmother, Sarah Duncan, Miss Sarah Duncan, who I use her recipes. And another thing that really was a part of my dream, to come back to my home where I was born and raised, to give back and help to bring our downtown back to where it was, or better than it was when I grew up. My grandmother taught me, and she really didn't do recipes written down. They were in her head, so she put them in my head. What I had, the challenge I had to do was to train my staff, and they wrote down the ingredients, because the key in good food is consistency. You won't walk into Pearls Down and people on their cell phones or on their laptop texting or nothing. It's more than just the good food for your stomach. It's spirit for your soul. And the environment is about building relationship. We all love each other. And believe it or not, whether they know me or not, when they come in, they love me, the staff, and everybody around them. Another thing that I really want to put emphasis on is to let everybody, anybody, whatever race you are, black, red, or blue, if you have a vision, go for it. Because I had a vision, and I came, and the people of Laurel surrounded me and put me in a position to where others can see that it's possible for them too.